The system, so-called the industrial computer and the PLC-based systems are integrated in order to automate the entire system of the machine which is installed in the system like here. So purposely, this is the sub-control cabinet. There are other huge and large amount of control cabinets are installed in another section of this particular site. So the lesson and the point in here I would like to spread this live streaming video is just I want to share you my experience, especially on the PLC and on the industrial computer, how to install on the machine side. If you are anyone who is working on the electrical system, on the mechanical automation part and the electromechanical area, so this is a very mandatory to you guys. You are looking this particular video, so first and for the most, I would like to verify, briefly explain what is here inside the machine. So nothing is very complicated. As you can see from here, we have lines. The line is this. The line cables are the outcoming cable from the main switch, and in order to control the line motors in different system. So this is the incoming power, and these are the installation equipment. So the machines we are gonna install this particular wire. As you can see from here, this is the cables which are coming from the main control part, as well as the branch one. So what is inside it is a very important question. So as you can see from here, as a usual, if there is a power controlling system, we need to have a breaker. So this is fuses, like, yeah, fuse P1, P2, P3, P4. So these are fuses, and fuses with the relay base. So you can see from me, these are here are relays. Let me show you. Pick up the one. So here we have a relay. So the relay is with the 24 volt DC relay starting from a K03 up to K15. So these are the relays, and here is the power converter. So this is the most dynamic power conversion, especially the power conversion device in power electronics equipment. So we don't need AC power for this PLC and for this temperature sensor. This is a temperature regulator device. In order to regulate the temperature variation of the system, the ambient temperature with regards to the machine operating temperature. So this is the PLC. This PLC uh, doesn't operate with the exceeding temperature. So for that matter, this temperature regulator was installed in here in order to regulate the amount of the temperature, the room temperature and the ambient temperature on the line. So the main function of thermal, I mean the temperature regulator, is in order to regulate the temperature for this PLC. This is the PLC which is integrated, which will gonna integrate with the industrial computer. So the industrial computer is gonna install in here. So you can see from here, this is the line. So those the industrial computers and the sensors gonna install on this particular aluminum section. Each and every section is the place for the industrial computer. So this put this in your mind, and how to put the line. So the line is, as you can see from here, they are starting from X1 is X1. The power line is the power line, the incoming power. Here we have X106. So X106 is starting from 1 up to X136. So we are here starting from here. So and all these components or in all these lines, we need to have the incoming power cable. So you can see from here, this line we're gonna install into this particular line. So it's starting from 36. So each wire have its own standard numbers at the body of this copper wire. So there is a stamp on it. There is a cable number. So each wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the 8 is the number which doesn't required in order to supply power or other signal lines from the main switchboard. So here the 8 will reserve it, and others is gonna be installed starting with here. And we have also another the cable terminals or the cable indicator points, as you can see from here. This is also printed by the printer machine. By the way, go back on my previous short videos. You will get how to print out and how uh, insert the algorithm inside the printer machine in order to print those specific systems. So that very important. If you are a real electrical guy or real the automation guy, you have to know about each and every systems which are integrated with the automation system, installation system, and the computer regarding system. So let me start now. Okay. So now after I need to address the models here have three one four, yeah, four, three, eight. So this is very wide. I don't need so yeah, so two and one, two, three, four, five, six, yeah, one, seven, yeah, this. I have the guys here because this is a primitive family lab, what I call it lab. So something on the sources. Zero, so it's eight, so it's 4, I like to make it 5, 6, 7, 8, other, so it's 9, 14, I have music one. Okay. All right. So this is your that demonstrate demonstrate you count you Care lag, wire lag. So very simple steps if you so don't confuse yourself. I have the installation level, the design method, that's why because I don't confuse. Wow. Now, I'm sharing my experience. Finally, I have tried to do something. So, please fight. Alright, so you can see from here, I have a pre-line here, I have a pre-line from 36, 37, 38, 39, 14, 41, 42 percent. So look at here, look at here, each wire have a wire tag which is 37, 37, 37 is going to flag in here. Yeah, 37 is gonna flag in here and others are installed in such a way. So mainly this video is in order to explain the PLC, I mean the temperature control or the temperature regulator. This is the temperature regulator for this signaling wire for this control cabin. So there is it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is our channel. We learn each other. If you have any comments, any idea, you can put on the comment section below. And thank you to being with me and feeding me with the new and energetic thoughts. Have a good time. Bye bye. See you until the next live video of live videos. Okay.